What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another unboxing, and I got something off StockX today from this season, spring and summer, fall and winter of 2018-2019, and I got this. I got hella Christmas money, and I wanted something unique, something that I would never dream of owning if it didn't say Supreme on it. And I was surprised when it came in this big ass package. So I guess it's bigger than I expected. But here it is. Oh, we got, just so you know, it's from StockX, of course. We got this Supreme Honor Melodica. Anything else besides sticker? Nope. And of course the sticker is basically like destroyed, but whatever. So yeah, we had the Supreme Melodica. There's numbers on the bottom, but okay. I bought this for $94.95 with shipping. So let's, what side can I, okay, I guess this side. Let me open this bad boy up. Okay, so I know because I watched reviews. Comes in this long ass case. It says Supreme on it. It says Honor right there. It smells really good. StockX authenticated. You already know the deal. I don't know who would make a fake Melodica, but whoever out there, I don't think you're in the right market. Let's see. You're gonna make me fucking. Where'd my scissors go? I'm not dumbass with the scissors. Here it is. Here we go. Alright, so let's open this up. Oh, man. Oh, man. So here it is. It's white. It's got a mouthpiece and everything. So you got this smaller mouthpiece if you just want to blow it closer. But of course you have the longer one if you want to really get into it. So let's see. What do we got? All right. Oh, wow. That is loud. Oh, my Lord. Alright, whatever. It's a lot louder than I thought it was. I'm definitely gonna try and make some sort of like songs because this is really, really cool. I'm gonna keep it in the case most of the time because this is too big to fit with all my other accessories, and I have 2 more on the way. But of course, StockX is taking days for it to actually get, you know, to the authentication place. Let's see. Oh, gum. Alright, so yeah, so that'll do it for this review. Supreme Honor and Melodica. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Thank you.